Hello everyone, welcome again to my YouTube channel. My name is Convivial, your favorite Italo teacher. If you don't already subscribe to the channel, I will try to press your notification bell so that anytime when I upload, you go see them, they go notify you. And if you never subscribe, waiting the wood for join this amazing family. Ciao a tutti, mi chiamo Convivial, questo è il mio canale. Seguitemi, mi raccomando, commentate, condividete e mettete il like. Guys, what we want to do today? Today we want to go back to the last video where we do. I see say the video really did difficult for a lot of people, but I try explain them as I go fit explain them for live on Saturday, our live video on Saturday, and I see say most people they catch them up. So I can promise them say I go bring out other like questions like form of quiz so that una go still exercise una self a little bit. And for people will be say they don't get time to follow my live video on Saturday. So now I say make I bring them again because this topic really dey important for our everyday conversation. Like guys, everyday conversation. So that our talk wey we dey talk, if you dey follow person dey talk, you go dey flow. Don't be say you come dey talk one thing, then you come dey repeat am again. No, this one wey we dey call direct pronoun, na go help you be say like instead of you go come dey talk, you come dey repeat yourself again. It go help you be say that now where you just dey mention already, it go break am down in the sense that you no repeat yourself again. Okay, maybe we go straight into the example so that una go understand wetin I dey talk. Okay, guys, as I tell people for live video on Saturday, this direct pronoun, you know as it be like for instance now I go tell you say you go drink vino. You know, say now we they call them vino. Okay, maybe we'll just call them for English, which is wine. You go drink if I want to ask you, say, you go drink wine. Instead of you to come tell me, say, yes, I go drink wine. Now you just dey talk, say, I go drink. Or I go drink something like that. You go to repeat wine again. You go to repeat the word wine again. It's just the same thing as this direct pronoun. For instance, now, for Italian language, if I tell you, say, vuoi un bicchiere di vino? Vuoi un bicchiere di vino? What did I ask? You want a glass of wine? Instead of you to come the answer me say, sì, voglio un bicchiere di vino. You come tell me say, sì, lo voglio. Why? Because that lo, you don't go replace that vino when we talk initially. So it can't make the sentence now can't be fluent. Say you no go they repeat, yes, I want vino. You can't talk say, sì, lo voglio. So why we use lo? Because lo na singular and it be masculine. Because the vino why we use lo? We use lo because say vino we dey refer to na masculine and it be singular. So lo voglio vino. Okay? For instance, vuoi una caramella? What be caramella? Everybody know what be caramella now. Sweet. If person ask you say you want sweet, instead of you to come talk say no, non voglio una caramella or non voglio la caramella, you come tell and say non la voglio. Because say we dey talk about caramella, what we dey talk about initially na feminine and it be singular. Una see am lo na maschile singolare, la na femminile singolare. Okay, we'll go to the other two will be plural form. For instance, queste scarpe sono belle. These are shoes, they're beautiful. Le voglio. Why we choose le? Because c'est scarpe na femminile and it be plurale. Okay, instead of me to come the talk say sì voglio le scarpe, I come to say sì le voglio. Because scarpe femminile plurale. Okay, but we'll go in. Make I ask una few questions. May I see whether una really catch up. Before I go into the questions, make I label them again. If we talk about maschile, singolare na lo. If we talk about femminile, singolare na la. If we talk about maschile, plurale na li. If we talk about femminile, plurale na le. Okay, make I ask you now some questions now. May I see whether or not they follow me up. Okay, Okay, for instance now, if I can ask you say, since when you dey wear these glasses, Italo dey talk and say, da quanto tempo porti gli occhiali? Da quanto tempo porti gli occhiali? Since when you dey carry wear the glasses, okay? As e be say occhiali for nana, occhiali no be we dey refer to for the sentence. For nana, wetin we go use na la, na lo, or na li, or na le. Mona think am. Da quanto tempo porti gli occhiali? Instead of you to come dey talk say porto gli occhiali da, for instance, we talk say na 2 months now you don dey wear am. Porto gli occhiali da 2 mesi. You come talk say li porto da 2 mesi. No need to come dey repeat yourself again, dey talk about the occhiali again. Una get? So na so dey take dey form am. Make we go into another example again. Prendi un succo di frutta. Wetin be succo di frutta? Succo di frutta na juice. Person go tell you say you want juice, you go take juice. Instead of you to talk say yes, I go take juice, or like sì, prendo il succo di frutta. You come reason say this succo di frutta wey we dey talk about na maschile, na femminile, na singolare, na plurale. Un succo di frutta, wetin be? Na maschile and na singolare. So wetin we go choose? La, lo, li, or le. Na lo prendo. Okay? Okay. For instance now, if I see ask person say, da quanto tempo conosci Maria e Sharon? Since when you don't know Maria and Sharon? Instead of you now to come talk say, io conosco Maria e Sharon da 5 mesi, wetin you go choose? La, le, lo, or li? Le conosco, because we dey talk about two ladies or 2 women. Na femminile, we dey refer to them. Quindi le conosco da 5 mesi. Okay? Now so we take dey do all these direct pronoun. I know say for some people e go be like say na wetin really dey difficult. Big deal not really there. You just need to remember. What you need to remember? You need to remember whether wetin, first of all, you need to understand the sentence. Say, okay, this sentence, who e dey refer to, or wetin e dey refer to. If for instance now I ask you, mangi il pesce, you dey chop fish, mangi pesce. For now, wetin, which of the direct pronouns wey we don list out since, which one una go choose say, yes, I dey chop am? Sì, lo mangio. Sì, lo mangio. Mangi la pasta. For now, wetin we will take place, wetin that they talk about the sentence. Now we need to always think about wetin that they talk about. Then if you don't understand who and wetin that they talk about for the sentence, then you come reason this person or this thing wey they refer to na maschile, na femminile, na singolare, or na plurale. Pasta, wetin e be? Na femminile and na singolare, quindi la mangio. Okay, Mona let me know for this comment section whether una don get am clear now, how many exercise una fit get for inside the ones when I still bring out. Okay, and Mona remember to follow me for which are Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram. And Mona remember say I dey always do live video on Saturday by 4 p.m. for Facebook. Okay, until the next one, stay blessed. Bye bye.